Alright guys, so this is how you change the windshield wiper on your 5th generation, which is your 2019 to 2022 RAV4s. This is going to be the driver's side, and same on the passenger side. So you're just going to reach here, pull the wiper towards you, and if you look right in the middle, right where the arm attaches right here, just follow it up. You'll see this little plastic cover. Just put a screwdriver or something else in, and then just give it a little, there you go. Just push it up, and it just pops open. Just pops open. Flip that up, and then your windshield wiper will release. And you can see it just releases right there. All right, so that hook right there just releases once that tab is opened up. And that's all there is to it. Then you're just gonna remove the windshield wiper. All right, so you can just pull this down, slide it down, pull it up, and that's it. And for those of you, if you wanted to reuse the factory wiper, which you can, this is just an insert. So the rubber blade, just an insert, and I'll show you how to remove that. So here's the factory windshield wiper, and this blade right here. If you wanted to replace it, hopefully your dealer carries refills. Not all of them do, but some of them do, and they are replaceable. And you're just you can grab a hold of the blade right here and just push towards the edge, and it just slides right out. That's all there is to it. And then you could just buy a new insert and just slide it back in. Not all dealers do that. A lot of them will just sell the entire assembly. But you can save a little bit of money, and if you're really worried about landfills and things like that, you can feel better about reusing the stock blade holder. So we're going to use the Peak brand Optics Plus. And this is the replacement windshield wiper. And you'll see this has the Easy Check wear indicator. And there's just a little yellow sticker on, here's the wiper. And there's just a little yellow sticker that covers this little hole. I already peeled the sticker. But I guess it's a wear indicator. It's supposed to turn yellow when it's time to replace it. So this will come pre-installed with this adapter right here. And the instructions, they include different adapters. Here's one here, and there's another kind here, and another one here. You don't need any of those. So this is all ready to put on. And so yeah, let's go install it. So all you're gonna do is you'll take the windshield wiper right here, and you'll see this part here at the back has the tab, right? And that kind of is on a pivot. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. So that's going to face away from the open part of the hook. The front part, it's kind of hard to see a little bit, but it's rounded, and that's just going to slide in. So you're just going to put it in like this, slide it in, push it all the way up until it clicks. Make sure it's on there. And that's it. Just set the windshield wiper back down. There you go. And hopefully now you guys can see in the rain. If the videos helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you have any requests for videos, please leave that in the comments, and I'll do my best to accommodate it. Thank you.